Ambulance responding emergency call. Wiring short circuit to ground battery BAT or wiring hands alternate charge fault. Power pack overheat and electronic broad wiring circuit, but this system no safely protect or circuit cut. Now upgrade your ambulance at Specialist Po Kwong Battery and Auto. Now new part electronic system. Fire line safety emergency fire alarm battery fall alone. Protect all battery her live in with the wiring. Battery wire he is board current voltage is low. Suction box overhead wiring short. This function compute tested complete.
More info call 0179805933 Shinor 0112750556 Wei Ming.